What is template inheritance in Blade and how can it use in a real world application? Reuse common page elements like headers and footers. How can blade section and guilds be utilized to manage content in different views? Section defines content blocks, yield specific placeholders, dynamic contents manage. How do blade control structures make your code more readable compared to raw PHP? Use Blade's clean, concise syntax for control flow. Blade simple directives like at if element verbose PHP tags to reduce clutter. Create templates that are easier to read, write, and maintain. Recognize leadership insight on readable code's benefits. What is the purpose of the syntax in Blade and why is it important for security? Output data safely by skipping HTML entities. Prevent cross-site scripting XSS attack. Ensure user input does not break layout or security. Components defines reusable UI element. Use component to create button cards, models, and other UI parts can be reused across views. Promotes modular and maintainable code. Using component with its stats, reduce code duplication, improves consistency and development speed. Slots allow dynamic content insertion. Reusable button component.